Okay, so I have got to get these cabinets, this pantry dealt with. This one I'm actually not going to touch. That one is perfectly fine. This one needs to be straightened out, and this one, it's okay, it needs to be straightened. So does that one, but that one is bad. It's got like extra seasonings and canning stuff, popsicles, more jars, bunch of crap. And my my chicken rotisserie, I think I'm just gonna leave that just sitting there. I don't know, I'll probably just get rid of it because I don't use it. And then this has just got a bunch of junk. And this is our baking cabinet that needs to be straightened up as well, and get rid of a bunch of stuff over there. But yeah. And I do need to go and buy more groceries and fill up my pantry, but before I can do all of that, I really have got to get it cleaned out. And this I need to clean and organize as well. I want to get all these jars off of here and get them in one of those cabinets over there, and I forgot to go put those in the washer. But yeah, so we're gonna get this taken care of because that is awful as well. So a few minutes ago, just ignore the corn dog box. Valkyrie and Wanda was trying to steal it. But getting this pantry organized, it has been so well overdue. As y'all can tell, the pantry was awful. So unorganized, and I did still need to go and get some more side dishes and stuff like that. So I went and got all that Friday night, and I didn't film getting it put together, put up or anything, because me and my husband got home really late and it had been raining all day. And then trying to bring groceries in, I was soaking wet, so I just wasn't even thinking about it. We just got everything put away and took showers and went to bed. But by the time I got this pantry done, it looked so much better. But you can definitely tell how bare my pantry really is when I am done at the end. I mean, it's already pretty bare, you can see, but it was really bad. I really hate this pantry setup. There is just so much wasted space, and I hate this cluster of cabinets. I don't know. I don't like it. There's just too much wasted space. What I would like to do is just take all this out and have an actual pantry built right here, just where that opening is, and have like some cute barn doors on there. Need to find someone that can custom build my pantry, because this is not it. I hate it so bad.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now
So now I'm just getting this cabinet cleaned out so I can get all of my canning jars put in here and just get them stored up out of the way for next year. I didn't really get to can hardly anything this year because the garden did not do very well. I ended up freezing a lot of my tomatoes, which I do plan on getting out, and I am going to can up some spaghetti sauce. Eventually, I need to get those tomatoes out of the freezer so I can get some more space in there. But I didn't really get a whole lot canned this year because it didn't rain and it was so hot. We were like in 110 degree to weather, and it just burnt everything. So nothing survived. I lost a lot of plants, so I didn't get nothing. But hopefully next year will be better. I do plan on getting a rain barrel. So throughout the winter months, as it rains, and if we ended up into another drought where I can't water nothing, I've got water to water the plants.
It's not under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes slow, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. Just a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah. Dressed in cigarette smoke, is it the print you wanna leave behind? Get all those cold eyes cold looking, or say bye, bye, bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. Just a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby.
This is what my pantry is looking like now. This one is just got my rotisserie, some alcohol, and this one is full of canning jars, and this has got like some jar cans, but this is my overflow. And I still need to go to the grocery store and get some sides and stuff. This one I didn't mess with. It was perfectly fine the way it is. And that one is empty. So I didn't get the very bottom cabinets cleaned out like I wanted to. Because that white bucket and the blue one that was sitting over there by the cabinets and my deep freezer. The blue one has like all of my all-purpose flour. The white one has got my sugar in it. I do a lot of baking, and so I buy the 30-pound bag of sugar and flour because I really wanted to get those put in there. There is these canisters that I do want for my sugar, flour, and rice and all of that, and they've got wheels on the bottom and they're just really big. Those I do want eventually. But right here I've got this shelves cleaned off and getting the cookbooks up there. I don't have a whole lot of cookbooks. One of them is from my grandma. The one that I just put right there is my daughter's. I bought that for her for Christmas last year, and I write down all of her favorite recipes, things that I make that she really likes. So when she grows up and moves out, she has a cookbook with all of my recipes that I've made over the years that she's absolutely have loved. And they have one for daughter-in-laws. I do want to get another one for eventually when I do have a daughter-in-law and write down all of my son's favorite recipes in there. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will talk to you guys next Tuesday, and have a fantastic weekend, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.